in the roots. We ride, feel the bass deep inside. Let the bass guide your meditation. One love.